Hey YouTube. So several minutes have passed since my last video. I haven't touched anything. It's still charging. Charge current has dropped a little bit. My batteries are like 90 degrees Fahrenheit, so not too very warm. The charging temperature, or the charger temperature, is stuck at 43.3. The fans on here have slowed down a fair bit. The air coming out of the charger is slightly warmer than room temperature. Actually, my power supply is much warmer, and the air coming out of that is probably 100 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 105 or so, but that's about all. So this is the warm thing. The charger itself is putting out, I'm going to guess, like 80 degree air at most, 80 degrees Fahrenheit air, maybe 85. It's really not that warm. The batteries are warmer than the air coming out of the charger, and the air coming out of my power supply is definitely the warmest of all. But yeah, the charger itself, because it's got that monster heatsink in there, is hardly warmed up at all. I mean, the air coming out of these fans is pretty minimally warm, like I'm saying, 80, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. So anyway, let's get in on that screen a little bit. So I'm showing both of them up to about 40.5 volts for each side. Current is pretty close to the same, 3.46 or 4.16 amps. I've got 1,000 or almost 1,100 milliamp hours here and 487 milliamp hours here. Some of the cells are balancing on both sides. I'm showing 19 amps now, total current draw. And temperature is at 43.6 degrees Celsius. And it says I've put a total of 40 amp hours through this thing so far, which isn't reflected here because this is basically 1,100 and that's 500, so that's more like 1,600. So I don't know what's wasted in here, is this amp hour number here, why that's so much higher rather than the total current that's gone into the cells, but it is. Anyway, there you go. I think that's probably the last video for the iCharger.